Okay, Mrs. Helms here. This is question 1, part B of the 2020 end of topic test. So this is a scatter plot or a bivariate graph, as some of you are probably aware. And the question here says, at the conclusion of the trials, the cats also had their hearts weighed. Don't ask me how they did this. I'm not sure what they had to do. The body and the heart weights of the male cats are shown below. So this is just the male cats, if we remember that. So this is the male cat, and it's got their body weight. So their weight's going from 2 kilos up to, what's that, 3.9 kilos, and the weight of their heart in grams. So describe the general trend that can be seen in this graph. Okay, so when it comes to a scatter graph here, and we're talking about the scatter graph, there's some very particular things that we want to talk about. So we want to talk about the trend in terms of its direction. Okay, so if you got your ruler out, you could have drawn a line through this, a line of best fit. Hopefully yours is much nicer than that. Making sure that your upper and lower bits of the line have got an equal amount on each. I'm not sure if that's perfect or not, but so you want to talk about the direction. So this direction here it's positive. Okay, it's going up. As the heart weight increases, the body weight increases. Then another thing you want to talk about here is the strength. I would say that this is probably moderately strong. It's not very strong because there is still this differences between these and that, there is a height differential, but it's pretty close to the line. And then you want to say whether or not it is linear. So is linear versus non-linear, pretty much, is it going up in a straight line or is it kind of curving up? So this one is linear, yes. Okay, so in your answer at the end, you're going to say that the body, so as the body weight of male cats increase, their heart weights also increase. Now, if you said that, and I had a lot of people that said that, it's not worth anything. What you need to add on to it is, this is a positive, moderately strong, linear relationship. Okay, so just saying that as one goes up, the other goes up, that's not enough. That's telling me the direction, but that's not telling me anything about the strength of it or whether or not it's linear or not. So you really need to make sure that you actually talk about those points. These points here are kind of your key to getting your marks in this. Now, if you gave a trend description with 2 out of these 3, so there's 3 here. If you gave me 2 out of those 3, that would be enough to get you a U, so that's 2 of them. And if you gave me the context of it, so all this here, as one increases, the other one increases, and then gave at least 2 out of 3 of those, that would have given you the merit there. So if you just gave me as the body weight increases, the heart weight also increases, but you don't actually mention any of the other, the direction or the strength of it or whether or not it's linear, then no mark. So please make sure that when you have a scatter graph, you talk on these things.